Now, I said war is not a solution, and I want to share with you that I was a British member of parliament when war happened in Afghanistan, and one war was waged against Iraq. And I want to tell you that I voted against war in Afghanistan, and I voted against war in Iraq. And I want to share with you that Tony Blair was our Prime Minister. I met him 4 times. And I said to him that Britain has more knowledge about the subcontinent, about this area, than probably the leaders of United States of America. And I said to him that look at the history. तारीख को देखें कि Britishers could not conquer Afghanistan. उन्होंने पूरी आधी दुनिया कंकर कर ली ब्रिटिशर ने. They conquered Punjab, they conquered Bengal, they conquered India, but they could not conquer Afghanistan. और आपको मेरा ख्याल ये भी मालूम होगा कि बरतानिया ने कोशिश की, अपनी अफवाज भेजी to fight against Afghans, but failed. और उन्होंने क्या किया कि जितनी फौज गई थी सारी की सारी उन्होंने उनको कत्ल कर दिया सबको, और उनमें सिर्फ एक को वापस भेजा और उसको ये मैसेज दिया कि गो एंड टेल ब्रिटिशर्स इफ दे ट्राई अगेन वी विल डू द सेम टू देम. सो दे फेल्ड, दे कुड नॉट कंकर अफगानिस्तान. उसके बाद रशिया इन्वेडेड अफगानिस्तान, दे ट्राइड, दे फेल्ड, दे कुड नॉट कंकर अफगानिस्तान. उसके बाद यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, यूरोप, बरतानिया, नेटो, trillions of dollars wasted there, trillions dollar, तो failed. तो अब Pakistan is trying its best to facilitate a dialogue, negotiation between Taliban and Afghan government.